Thank you for joining my video on the integration between Spectrum AC and HVAC Biz Pro. We're going to show you how to sign up for Spectrum. We're also going to show you how to operate it within our program and the benefits of what it will do for your customer in financing. First of all, we're going to go into the admin and we're going to go to More, and we're going to go to Defaults, and we're going to see Payment Options right here, Payment Options. And under Payment Options, you're going to see where it says Spectrum AC Details. Now, you'll have to have first been signed up for Spectrum with us to be able to turn it on so you can see it within here. And I'm going to open it up, and then once you get your Spectrum AC login username and password, you'll enter those here. Each login user will have their own login for their particular account, so they'll enter those here. All right, and then we're going to go to save this. You will save it, and then let's do a proposal on how this works. Okay, so we're going to go to create proposal, and we're going to choose an existing template. I'm going to type in 3.0, and it'll give me a 3-ton, and let's just choose this one right here, and I'm going to click the customer, the sales rep, and save. All right, so here we go. So we've got our edit proposal just like you would see normally in the program, just as it operates now. We're going to, for the sake of this video, I'm only going to go over the payment options, and in this payment options, I'm going to expand payment options that are near the bottom, and as I click Spectrum AC, it will post that to the proposal. I can actually click on the financing rate, and it will show the financing. Now you can save this to your defaults. For the sake of this proposal, I'm not going to show anything other than Spectrum, no credit card, no check, cash, and I'm going to click Save. All right, now that we have our proposal saved, and we're going to go down here to Print. All right, so now that we have our proposal, everything looks as you would normally see it with our payment, our equipment. As we scroll down, there's our products, and you'll notice that the payment option is only selected for Spectrum. All right, so the customer's going to apply for that. So I'm going to click on that. They're going to choose the system that they want to purchase, and they're going to sign their name, print their name, and then accept the terms of this agreement. So the current iteration of the program, the way that it works is the customer, obviously, when they close out the proposal, they will get to see what it is that they're going to purchase, right? And then we're going to go back over to the edit proposal, and you'll notice at the top of the page, now it says apply for Spectrum AC financing. This will be done by the salesperson, service tech, whoever is in the home. We're going to click apply for Spectrum AC financing. So then the portal opens, and it says, welcome to the program, Spectrum AC. This actually takes you out of HVAC Biz Pro into a user experience with Spectrum, and we're going to click simple, just questions they have to answer some questions. We're going to click air conditioner. Now, based on whatever the customer chose in the edit proposal or the printed proposal, the amount will pull over and it will appear pre-populated here. So you can change the amount. I'm going to click next, and then we're simply going to put in some pre-qualification information. They're going to want our phone number, and then we click continue. It pulls in the address from the proposal. So whatever the address is, we click next. They're going to want a birthday, so we're just going to put in just a particular day, and then the last 4 of Social Security number, and then I agree to the terms, and they're going to click find best financing option. And so this is the lease purchase application, and it looks like we were not able to qualify for financing. This is the test site, so it may not go all the way through, but the way that this works is that it will plug the customer in to the level of access they can have to the whatever is appropriate for their financing capability. So let's go ahead and get started with the application, and we'll just show you some of the steps that you're going to fill out with the customer. So we're going to click Let's Start, and there's the total price for the lease. We're going to click whatever type of system it is, whatever the tonnage is. Is there a second system being installed? No. And we're going to click Next. What is the home type? Single family home, Do you have insurance? Yes. Do you have a co-applicant? Yes or no. Whatever driver's like, whatever ID we're going to provide, we slip that in there. We put in our net monthly income, our bank account number, a routing number, and we click next step. So then they're going to want the full Social Security number, and then we'll click review. And then we get a purchase application here, and it certainly goes through, and we'll click yes, this is correct. And then we just put in the first and last initial to consent, and everything gets started from there. And obviously this is a test application, so if you had been going through this real-time good information, it would take you through to the decision process, and then it will return back a decision back to the proposal for the customer. So this concludes our Spectrum AC ESS HVAC BizPro integration. If you have any questions, you can call our office at 904-260-2622. Thank you so much.